Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you a proud owner of a bird bath that attracts backyard birds and currently looking for a bird bath filler? If you're always away from your home and want to make sure that your bird bath has sufficient water to attract birds while you're away, then the Kozyfill Auto Bird Bath Filler will be the perfect product for you. This is an automatic bird bath filler that has fully assembled reservoir, mounting pole, faucet, white coupler, and shutoffs and 50 feet of tubing. This item is ideal to be placed in your garden, lawn, yard, or patio. Here are its technical specifications. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 14.25 by 8 by 6.75. Weight is 5.5 pounds. Make sure that your bird bath has water even if you're not at home with this ingenious bird bath filler. So now that you know all the details about this item, then it's time to buy it. Grab the Kozyfill Auto Bird Bath Filler today at a very affordable price. And make sure that your bird bath has sufficient water to attract birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.